securing my own future, planning for my life ahead, ensuring that I have the best in life. These are thoughts that will cross the mind of any young person as he grows up into maturity. And these were the very same thoughts that crossed the mind of a young man called Francis, who came from Sevilla in Spain. He was in the University of Paris pursuing his studies so that he could establish himself as an honorable person, as a person who would have made an impression on the world. Busy with his books and planning for the future, he met a friend called Ignatius. He was from Loyola. Soon after a war and an accident in the war, he was wounded in hospital. Ignatius was enlightened by reading the lives of saints. And then he confronted Francis with a very important question. What does it profit a man if he gains the whole world and suffers the loss of his own soul? Francis wasn't happy to hear that, but with the insistence of Ignatius, Francis began to think seriously. What does it profit me? What will all these things that I'm busy with lead me to? Will I be able to save my soul? And if I don't, what happens after that? In course of time, compelled by this very serious question, Francis decided to give up everything for the sake of saving his soul. He, along with Ignatius and 5 other friends, decided to form themselves into a society, the Society of Jesus. And then from then on, for Francis, life was worth living because of Christ. And he said, I must make the message of Christ known to many more people. So he traveled to the east. He came to India. He came to Japan. And finally, he wanted to go to China too, but in an island near China, he passed away. Now, Francis has done a wonderful thing with his life because he thought seriously about this question, what does it profit me? Today, as we honor Francis, I ask myself, what does it profit me to do the work I do now? What does my relationship profit me? If all that I do profits me to gain heaven, then it is worthwhile. But if it is only for gaining things of this world, how long is it going to last? What does it profit me if I gain the whole world and suffer the loss of my own soul?